Yeah, my name is Peter Fernandes, and I've been playing from childhood. Initially, I was inside, and I just love playing football, and still playing. And I love to play here because I played here when the ground was not of grass. Now, since it's so beautiful, love playing. Still want to keep going until I can.
What is the message for the youngsters for today's youngsters?
Youngsters, please focus and keep playing and work hard. That's all I can say. You'll receive and you'll achieve your goals.
Hello. Hello. Ata sang.